Hello everyone and welcome to Jomo247's QMS software video demonstration. Jomo247 is a brand new, fully customizable QMS software that enables you to build a unique QMS tailored to the specific needs of your organisation. Jomo247 is a cloud-based alternative to a traditional paper-based QMS, meaning it is easily accessible whether working in the office, on-site or remotely. And with all your uploaded documentation stored on the AWS cloud, you can be assured that all your confidential information is secured safely. To use Jomo247, you only need to be able to create process flow templates. Organisations may have similar processes, such as employee onboarding, but they do not always run in exactly the same way. Instead of dictating to you how to manage your business, our activity template designer is completely customizable, meaning you can create and follow processes specific to your company. Rather than simply providing you with a diagram of how your processes work, the templates you create on Jomo247 are live processes that can be followed and actioned through our software by anyone you wish to invite, be that your employees, your contractors, or even your customers. Once you have created a template, you are then able to export them to your PC and import them to as many different hubs as you wish. Additionally, we can help create processes for you that you can then import to your hub. Our activity designer also allows you to create custom roles that relate to each specific step in the processes created. With each different step that you select, you can choose which roles will have access to and be able to action that specific step. This is great for both security and efficiency, as users will only see the step that they have a designated role on. An activity is an instance of a process flow template that you have created on Jomo247. Activities enable you to control which specific users can see and take part in this version of the process, and which role or roles they have within it. You can add users by email or groups, which I will discuss in greater detail later. Once users have been added, you can then control which permissions and roles each user or group has. This helps ensure both security and efficiency, as users will only ever see information that pertains to them and their role. The ability to set permissions can also be useful, as it means you are able to create activities, invite your managers, and then give members of the team control over your processes, whether they have designed them or not. A task is how that specific process is then run through the system. With the correct permissions, you can see the current step of the process each task is on. And here you can see the next action that needs to be carried out to move this task through to the next step in this process. As the process moves along, you can add comments about how the task is progressing using the comments section. This can be good to give little updates or notify others if things have gone wrong, whilst keeping the conversation on topic. You can also add supporting documents to a task, such as form templates, evidence, and training materials. Jomo247 supports all document types, which means you can move away from complicated written procedure to more accessible instructions via media such as pictures and videos. Jomo247's most powerful feature is our tagging tool, which enables you to tag any documents, tasks, or activities with references that are relevant to you, your organisation, and your customers. You are also able to tag against any standard, including all ISO standards, to help evidence your compliance and make the relevant documentation easy to find, whether it's on a day-to-day basis or for that all-important audit. Tagging also helps make team collaboration easier and is especially helpful in environments where lots of different languages are spoken, or in cases where people have different names for processes and procedures, such as health and safety versus occupational health and safety, as both can be tagged. The My Documents page is where tags come into play. Here you can search by any single tag or a combination of tags. This is especially helpful for auditing, as it means auditors can quickly drill down and find the relevant information, which will help save you money by booking shorter audits or enable you to use more of your auditor's time for improvement consultation. It is also useful for quality sampling, as you can compare lots of different samples at once, enabling you to check for consistency over time. On the My Task page, users will see all the tasks that they have permission to see and are relevant to them. This means your employees will no longer have to waste time sifting through long email chains to find the jobs applicable to them. The UI for all tasks looks the same no matter which process they are in, which makes staff training simple and straightforward. As an admin, you are also able to see which tasks are active but not assigned to you, meaning you can monitor the progress of the tasks but you're not constantly bombarded with notifications and only have to get involved if you need to. You can create groups for different departments within your business, which can help make inviting users to activities easier, as you do not have to manually add users by their email each time. Groups are also useful if an employee changes department or a new employee joins, as you can add them to the specific group and they will instantly have access to all the relevant activities, tasks and documents. The timeline and audit pages both show you everything that has happened on your hub. This becomes a comprehensive bank of evidence that you can then show to auditors to evidence that your processes are running effectively. The audit page lets you filter by specific activity, which can help make finding the relevant information for audits much faster. The dashboard is where you will find real-time reporting on your hub to keep you up to date with how your processes are progressing. The bar graphs here will show you which step of a process each task is on within the activities you decide. This lets you see how quickly tasks you have set are progressing and if there have been any delays. The dashboard is completely customizable, meaning users can set their dashboards up to show the information that is most relevant to them, using the tagging system. Users can filter the activities, tasks and document sections on their dashboards. This is beneficial as it means users can quickly access and monitor the processes and procedures most relevant to them. For example, if your organisation has more than one depot, you could filter your dashboard with the tag for that specific depot. Thank you for watching. Please get in touch with Team Jomo247 now to start your free trial.